Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to install MongoDB in Windows 10. Friends, MongoDB is a open source document oriented database which used to store large scale of data. So friends, we will see how to install it and how to configure it. So just go to Google. Okay, now type here download MongoDB. Okay, just type here download MongoDB. Then just click here MongoDB community download. Click here. Okay, so you will get here. You can see on premises. We have to install on Windows 10. So we have to click here on premises MongoDB locally. Okay, just click here. Okay, now you can see here on the right side there is two methods, zip file and MSI file. So we will download here MSI file here. So my current version is 5.0.6. Okay, now click on download here. So friends, you can see it's only 285 MB. So it will take 1 minute. Okay, let it download complete. So friends, you can see we have downloaded successfully MongoDB. Okay, go to subfolder. Now you can see we have downloaded it. Now we have to install it. Just friend, double click on it to install. Preparing to install here. Now click on next. Now select agreement here. I accept. Now click on next. Now we have to select complete. All program feature will be installed. Okay. Now click on complete. Now friends, we have to select here install MongoDB as a service. Now we have to select run service as a network service user. Okay. Now we have to remember this path. Just you can copy this path. Okay. We have to note this path. We have to remember this path. Okay. Now click on next. Now select this option. By checking below, installer will automatically download and install latest version of MongoDB Compass for this machine. Now click on next. Now friends, click on install. Now installation is started here. Now it's copying new file. Now friends, it's installing MongoDB Compass. Now we can see MongoDB installed here. Now we can click on finish. Now we have installed. Now we have to go to this path. Okay, and go to C drive, program files. Now MongoDB. Now server 5.0. Now you can see Win. Okay. Now copy this path. Copy. And now friends, we have to add this on environment variable. Now friends, copy this path. Copy here to remember. Now go to environment variable. Environment. You can see edit the system environment variable. Okay, click on it. Now friends, click on environment variable. Now friends, you can see system variable. Okay, now system variable, click on path. Now add new path here. Click on new. Now paste your copied win this path. Okay. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now friends, we will run MongoDB server. Now go to command prompt here. cmd command prompt. Now type here MongoDB to start the server. Okay. Now press enter here. So let me show you. We will get error here. Now friends, you can see we are getting error here. Data directory DB not found. Okay, create the missing directory. Now what you have to do? Now we have to create a directory. Okay, in C folder like this. Okay, data/db. Now go to C drive and here we will create a folder. data. In the data folder we will create directory dv. Create new folder again and create dv. Okay. Now we will again run this command. Now we'll get successfully run. So now we are not getting this error. It's starting the MongoDB services. You can see database created in this db directory. Okay, means our server, database server is MongoDB server is running successfully. Command prompt, and we'll open new command prompt here. Now we will enter here mango, only mango. Okay, only Mongo. Now press enter. Now it will start connecting with Mango shell. Mango shell connecting with Mango server. Okay, so you can see it's connected here with Mango server. Now friends, we are ready to write queries on Mango shell here. Okay, now friends, we can run the program here. Like type where message message is equal to like this video. Okay, comma now press enter. Now print JSON message, press enter. Okay, you can see like this video, means our program is running successfully. So friends, you can see in this video how to install MongoDB on Windows 10. Okay, and how to configure it. So thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.